Are you over 60 and secretly worried that losing muscle means losing your independence? Do you see those expensive protein powders and gourmet diet plans and think staying strong is just too costly? What if I told you that the secret to building serious muscle after 60 isn't hidden in pricey supplements or celebrity chef meals, but in your local grocery store's budget aisle, often costing less than your daily coffee? Forget everything you've been told about needing to spend a fortune to fight age-related muscle loss. This isn't about deprivation, it's about smart choices that could save you hundreds of dollars a year while making you stronger than you've been in decades. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll uncover 7 game-changing, affordable foods that are scientifically proven to build muscle fast, and the #1 food will shock you with its power and unbelievably low price. The stark truth is, after the age of 50, our bodies naturally begin to shed muscle mass, roughly 1–2% each year. This seemingly small decline can accumulate to a staggering 30% loss in overall strength by the time we reach 80. This isn't just about lifting heavier weights. It impacts everything from opening jars to maintaining balance and preventing falls. Simultaneously, the fitness industry often capitalizes on this concern, heavily promoting costly protein products and specialized diets that can drain your wallet by $200 or more monthly. However, for the past 3 years, extensive research into why some seniors maintain remarkable strength and vitality while others struggle with weakness has revealed a surprising finding. It's not about how much money is spent, but rather how food choices are made. The strongest seniors consistently opted for specific, cost-effective protein sources that their bodies absorbed and utilized with exceptional efficiency. This video will unveil 7 such protein-rich foods, each under $3 per serving, ranked from excellent to absolutely essential. We'll dive into why these foods outperform their expensive counterparts, their precise costs, and the most effective ways to incorporate them into your diet for maximum muscle-building benefits. And for those truly committed to maximizing their strength without breaking the bank, the top-ranked food costs less than 50 cents per serving and delivers more usable protein than supplements 20 times its price. One often overlooked yet incredibly powerful muscle-building food for seniors on a budget is sardines, providing a substantial 23 grams of complete protein per can, typically priced at a mere $1.25. These small fish are nutritional powerhouses. While the idea of sardines might not immediately appeal to everyone, their potency in supporting muscle gain is undeniable. Their strength lies not just in their high protein content, but in the completeness and quality of that protein, offering all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle creation. Beyond protein, sardines are an exceptional source of omega-3 fatty acids. These vital fats play a crucial role in lowering inflammation and actively slowing the breakdown of muscle tissue, a significant advantage for older adults whose muscles are more susceptible to inflammatory damage. This protective effect is particularly important because chronic low-grade inflammation can erode muscle tissue faster than it can be repaired. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted that seniors who consumed small fatty fish like sardines twice weekly over 3 years experienced significantly less muscle loss compared to those who ate fish infrequently. Researchers observed that the omega-3's anti-inflammatory properties preserved muscle that would otherwise be degraded by inflammatory processes. Moreover, consistent sardine consumption was linked to better maintenance of grip strength and walking speed, translating into tangible improvements in daily functional abilities. Sardines offer an excellent, budget-friendly option, with the added benefit of soft, edible bones that provide a natural source of calcium, crucial for maintaining strong bones, the foundation for strong muscles. Each 125 can delivers the same high-quality protein found in a $60 piece of salmon. Their convenience is another major advantage. With a long shelf life, no cooking required, and ready-to-eat status directly from the can, sardines allow you to stock up during sales, ensuring a consistent supply of high-quality protein. Unlike fresh fish, which demands careful storage and spoils quickly, canned sardines offer unparalleled ease. You can effortlessly integrate them into your diet by mashing them into avocado toast with lemon and herbs, adding them to pasta salads for a subtler flavor, mixing them into scrambled eggs for a protein-packed breakfast, topping crackers with hot sauce, or even blending them into a Caesar salad dressing. The key is consistency. Even 1 can per week provides substantial nourishment that actively supports muscle growth. Another incredibly effective and budget-friendly option is cottage cheese. A single cup provides a remarkable 24 grams of protein, with a 16-ounce container typically costing around $2.50. While cottage cheese might seem like a nostalgic food from a bygone era, it stands out as one of the best proteins for seniors aiming to build muscle affordably. Its distinct protein composition is what truly sets it apart. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which is renowned for its slow digestion rate. This unique property ensures a sustained release of amino acids into the bloodstream over several hours, providing muscles with a continuous supply of building blocks. For aging muscles, which become less efficient at utilizing protein over time, this slow-release mechanism is especially vital. This consistent influx of amino acids from casein actively helps to counteract anabolic resistance, the reduced capacity of aging muscles to respond to protein consumption. Think of it like a steady, gentle rain versus a sudden downpour. The prolonged release ensures no protein is wasted. Research from McMaster University demonstrated that older adults who consumed casein protein experienced significant increases in muscle growth and strength. In one study, participants consumed casein before bed, allowing the protein to work its muscle-repairing magic overnight, aligning with the body's natural recovery phases. A 16-ounce container, priced at $2.50, provides approximately 100 grams of high-quality protein, making it one of the most economical muscle-building foods at less than 3 cents per gram. To put that into perspective, it's the same price as a protein bar offering only 20 grams of protein. A clinical study featured in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association further revealed that seniors who ate cottage cheese at least 4 times a week showed measurable increases in both muscle mass and grip strength compared to those who did not. These participants also exhibited higher bone density scores, likely due to the synergistic effects of protein and its abundant calcium content. When selecting cottage cheese, opting for full-fat varieties over low-fat is crucial. The beneficial fats not only aid in protein absorption but also promote satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. Furthermore, these fats assist in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamin D, which is essential for healthy muscle function. Cottage cheese is incredibly versatile. You can use it as a savory base with herbs and vegetables, blend it into smoothies for added creaminess, enjoy it with berries as a protein-rich snack, or even substitute it for ricotta cheese in dishes like lasagna. Lentils, though often overlooked, are a true unsung hero in the realm of muscle building for seniors on a budget. A single cooked cup of lentils delivers 18 grams of protein and can be purchased for under $1.50 per pound. Far from being just a simple side dish, lentils offer a comprehensive nutritional profile that actively supports muscle growth, provides sustained energy, and supplies crucial nutrients that become increasingly important with age. Their muscle-building power stems not only from their protein content, but also from their unique combination of protein, fiber, iron, and B vitamins, all of which are essential for optimal muscle function and recovery. Iron deficiency is a common concern among older adults and can significantly diminish muscle strength and endurance even before it impacts hemoglobin levels, often being mistaken for normal aging. Lentils effectively bridge this nutritional gap. Furthermore, they contain leucine, a vital amino acid that specifically triggers muscle protein synthesis, making them one of the few plant-based proteins capable of doing so. While not a complete protein on their own, lentils provide all essential amino acids when consumed throughout the day alongside grains or nuts, making them an excellent choice for seniors looking to reduce meat intake without compromising muscle growth. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition indicated that older adults who regularly incorporated legumes, like lentils, into their diet exhibited superior physical function and better preservation of muscle mass compared to those who primarily relied on animal proteins. Researchers attributed these benefits to the anti-inflammatory compounds found in legumes, which foster an environment conducive to muscle maintenance. The high fiber content of lentils also promotes excellent gut health, which is paramount for efficient nutrient absorption and effective muscle building. A pound of dry lentils yields approximately 8 servings of high-quality protein, costing less than 20 cents per serving. They can be easily added to soups, stews, salads, or served as a flavorful side dish. Lentils cook faster than most beans, typically requiring only about 30 minutes without prior soaking. Red lentils cook the quickest, breaking down into a creamy texture with a mild flavor, making them ideal for individuals with chewing difficulties. Brown and green lentils, on the other hand, retain their shape better, offering a meat-like texture perfect for salads and grain bowls. For enhanced results, consider cooking lentils with anti-inflammatory spices such as ginger, garlic, and turmeric, which not only boost muscle support, but also improve flavor and aid digestion. Canned tuna stands as a formidable protein option for seniors seeking to build muscle while adhering to a tight budget. Priced at approximately $1 per can, a 3-ounce serving delivers a substantial 22 grams of high-quality protein. This means you gain the same premium protein found in expensive fresh fish for a fraction of the cost, along with the added advantages of a long shelf life and no need for preparation. Tuna's exceptional amino acid profile makes it remarkably effective for muscle development. It is naturally low in fat and calories, yet it contains all 9 essential amino acids in the precise ratios required for efficient muscle protein synthesis. This makes it an ideal choice for seniors aiming to increase lean muscle mass without accumulating unwanted body fat. For older adults, this lean protein profile is particularly significant because excessive body fat can interfere with hormones that promote muscle growth and elevate systemic inflammation, which accelerates muscle loss. Additionally, tuna's protein is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can easily absorb and digest it, a critical factor as digestive efficiency can naturally decline with age. Research from the University of Arkansas revealed that older adults utilized fish protein, such as tuna, more efficiently than other protein sources, demonstrating absorption rates above 90% even among those over 70. At just $1 per can, you're paying less than 5 cents per gram of protein. This stands in stark contrast to many protein powders, which can cost 15 to 20 cents per gram, or high-end supplements marketed to seniors that can be 10 times more expensive per gram than canned tuna. For the best value and calorie control, always opt for tuna packed in water rather than oil. Chunk light tuna is typically the most affordable variety, although albacore offers a slightly higher protein content and a firmer texture. Tuna is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it straight from the can with crackers, add it to salads for an extra protein boost, form it into patties with eggs, or mix it with whole grain crackers and vegetables for a quick, balanced meal. The FDA advises adults concerned about mercury intake to consume up to 12 ounces of low-mercury fish, such as canned light tuna, per week. This ensures intake remains within safe limits while still providing abundant muscle-building nutrition. Rotating between different canned fish options like salmon, sardines, and tuna can further help minimize any potential exposure. Eggs, often seen as a breakfast staple, are in fact one of the most underrated and cost-effective powerhouses for seniors striving to build muscle. A dozen whole eggs, typically costing around $2.50, provide 6 grams of complete protein per egg. For about 20 cents each, eggs offer not only high-quality protein, but also a wealth of vital nutrients that are crucial for muscle function and recovery, benefits that isolated protein sources simply cannot match. The protein in eggs is exceptional, not just in quantity but in quality. They boast the highest protein quality score of any whole food, meaning your body can utilize nearly all of it. This is particularly important for seniors, as protein absorption efficiency can decrease with age, making every gram count. A crucial detail many overlook is that roughly half of an egg's protein, along with key nutrients like leucine, vitamin D, and choline, resides in the yolk. A study from the University of Illinois demonstrated that consuming whole eggs after exercise resulted in a remarkable 40% greater muscle growth response compared to eating egg whites alone. The synergistic effect of the nutrients in the yolk enhanced the body's utilization of the white's protein, creating a powerful combination that neither egg whites nor protein powders can replicate. Eggs are also one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, a nutrient directly linked to muscle performance. Seniors with higher vitamin D levels consistently exhibit superior muscle strength. Unlike vitamin D supplements, which can be poorly absorbed without fat, the vitamin D in eggs is naturally packaged with healthy fats that significantly improve its absorption. A dozen eggs deliver 72 grams of complete protein for less than 4 cents per gram, positioning them among the most affordable muscle-building foods available. They are incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Make omelets brimming with vegetables, poach eggs over whole grain toast, hard-boil them for convenient snacks, or scramble them with vegetables for a complete meal. Consuming the entire egg, not just the whites, is key to harnessing all these benefits. Recent scientific studies have largely dispelled the long-standing myth linking egg consumption to heart disease for most healthy individuals. Furthermore, the choline found in egg yolks is essential for supporting brain health, which is vital for maintaining the crucial mind-muscle connection during both exercise and everyday activities. Greek yogurt is an exceptionally effective food for seniors aiming to build muscle, boasting 20 grams of protein per cup, with a 32-ounce container typically costing around $4.50. Its unique protein composition and remarkable versatility make it a standout choice. For approximately 80 cents per serving, you receive high-quality protein that supports muscle growth and recovery around the clock. What makes Greek yogurt special is its dual protein profile. It contains both fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. The whey rapidly delivers amino acids for immediate muscle protein synthesis, providing a quick post-workout boost, while the casein ensures a steady, sustained release of amino acids for several hours. This sustained nourishment is perfectly suited for seniors, whose muscles benefit from a continuous supply of building blocks. Beyond its protein content, Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Research increasingly shows that a healthy gut is fundamental for optimal nutrient absorption and for reducing chronic inflammation, a factor that significantly accelerates muscle loss with age. When your gut functions efficiently, your body is better equipped to utilize the protein you consume. A study from Tufts University found that seniors who regularly consumed Greek yogurt exhibited greater muscle mass and improved physical function compared to those who ate regular yogurt or no yogurt at all. The researchers attributed these benefits to Greek yogurt's concentrated protein and the long-lasting muscle support provided by casein. Over a 12-week period, participants who included Greek yogurt daily in their diet saw improvements in both walking speed and leg strength. A 32-ounce container offers an impressive 160 grams of protein for about 3 cents per gram, making it highly competitive with even the cheapest protein sources. Additionally, Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, which is crucial for bone health, B vitamins for energy metabolism, and probiotics for digestive wellness. Strong bones provide the essential foundation for strong muscles, making the calcium content particularly valuable for seniors. Opt for full-fat plain Greek yogurt without any added sugars, as sugars can contribute to inflammation. Full-fat varieties also enhance satiety and aid in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Greek yogurt is incredibly versatile. Blend it into smoothies, enjoy it with berries and nuts, use it as a healthy substitute for sour cream in various recipes, or even use it as a marinade for meats. Its adaptability allows you to incorporate it into meals throughout the day, maximizing its muscle-building potential. Finally, the undisputed champion of low-cost muscle building for seniors is dried beans. Each cooked cup of dried beans contains 15 grams of protein, and a pound typically costs around $120. Despite their humble appearance, dried beans offer the most exceptional value in muscle-building nutrition. For just $1.20 per pound, you get approximately 12 servings of high-quality protein, costing a mere 10 cents per serving. Beans are a powerhouse combination of protein, complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, fiber for gut health, and essential minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron, all crucial for muscle growth and repair. The fiber in beans nourishes healthy gut bacteria, which in turn enhances nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation, a key strategy for preventing age-related muscle loss. Beans also contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds that foster an optimal environment for muscle building. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a significant contributor to muscle loss and aging, and the polyphenols found in beans actively help to counteract this. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition tracked seniors for 5 years and discovered that those who regularly consumed beans maintained better muscle mass, exhibited higher physical function, experienced fewer hospitalizations due to falls, and enjoyed greater independence. While beans alone may not contain all essential amino acids, your body can effectively combine the amino acids from beans with those from grains, nuts, or small amounts of animal protein consumed throughout the day. They don't necessarily need to be eaten together in one meal. Variety is also beneficial, preventing flavor fatigue and ensuring a diverse intake of nutrients. Black beans are rich in antioxidants, kidney beans provide ample folate, navy beans are packed with fiber and potassium, and chickpeas offer more protein per cup than most other varieties. At less than 1 cent per gram of protein, beans surpass all other muscle-building foods in terms of value. A single pound of dried beans contains 9 times as much protein as a typical protein bar, at the same cost. While they do require longer cooking times, you can easily prepare beans in bulk and freeze portions for convenient future use. A slow cooker or pressure cooker can simplify the process significantly. Beans are incredibly versatile. Mash them into spreads, add them to salads, stir them into soups and stews, or serve them as a side dish with grains to create a complete protein meal. Their ability to absorb flavors well makes them suitable for a wide array of cuisines, including Mexican, Mediterranean, and Asian dishes. The journey to building and maintaining muscle as a senior does not require premium diets or costly supplements. In fact, some of the most effective foods for strengthening your body can be found right in your supermarket's budget section. Every dollar you invest in these 7 powerful foods is a direct investment in your strength, your independence, and your long-term health. Begin simply. Choose just 2 of these foods this week. Perhaps make a hearty bean soup for dinner, enjoy Greek yogurt with berries for breakfast, or pack sardines for a quick and nutritious lunch. Take a moment to compare your current protein spending with the affordability of these choices. You'll likely discover that you can achieve superior results while spending significantly less. Remember, consistency, not perfection, is the ultimate key. Stock your pantry with canned tuna and sardines, cook dried beans in large batches, and make eggs and Greek yogurt foundational elements of your daily protein intake. By doing so, you will undoubtedly experience increased energy, faster recovery, and the sustained strength that underpins your independence. Gaining muscle as a senior doesn't have to cost a fortune. These 7 inexpensive, protein-rich foods are clear proof that the best nutrition is often the most accessible. You simply need to know where to look.